Happy National Fossil Day, everyone. My name is Polly Sturgeon, and I'm the Outreach Coordinator for the Indiana Geological and Water Survey. In celebration of all things fossils, I'm going to show you around the survey's largest single collection, the Carl Rexroad Conodont collection. Come take a look. Now, within these metal cabinets in this roughly 10-foot by 12-foot room is the largest collection that the survey takes care of. And you might think, in such a small room, how can we have such a large collection? But that's because conodonts are microfossils. So on these slides, in these cabinets, are millions and millions of specimens of conodont elements. Conodonts are eel-like animals that existed on Earth between the late Cambrian and early Triassic period. They had mineralized feeding structures in their heads that functioned like teeth. And those structures looked like this. The structures are called elements. You can see they form in a variety of sizes and shapes. Looking at the scale bar here, you can get a sense of just how tiny these elements are, typically between 200 microns and half a millimeter in length. So they have to be studied under a microscope. If we take a look at one of these slides, you can see those tiny, tiny dots. Those are each of the elements, the mineralized feeding structures that I just showed you on that photograph. Little bitty dots. Those are each of the elements. Now, all of these specimens were collected by Carl Rexroad, a paleontologist who worked here at the survey in the 1990s and early 2000s, and the collection was recently revived by Dr. Alyssa Bancroft, a biostratigrapher who recently worked here at the survey. All of these specimens are organized by location in which they were collected. And so this one in particular, you can see SDH stands for survey drill hole. So all of these specimens correspond to a core within our core library, in this case, survey drill hole 366. So you can compare the data within the core at our core library to the data contained within these to get a really full picture. Now, conodonts are a really important type of fossil, but not one that is super well known because they are very, very small. But in addition to containing so much biostratigraphic knowledge about Indiana's rocks that we have here, Paleozoic age rocks, they are kind of like tiny little time capsules because they recorded the interactions between the ocean and the atmosphere that existed in Indiana throughout the Paleozoic. I will share some more links about conodonts and the information that they contain in the comments, but I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the conodont collection. Happy Fossil Day!